Hi guys, this is Motorola Edge 40 Pro and it has 60 megapixel camera and many more that I'm going to tell you. So let's start with the design. Guys, smartphone first look is very beautiful. In center you will find Moto branding and top left there is camera module as well. It is a curved back that is made by glass material and its frame is made by aluminium material. If we are going to talk about ports and button, on right side you will find power button and volume rockers. At bottom there is speaker grill, Type-C port, mic and SIM tray, and at the top you will find secondary speaker and secondary mic as well. So overall frame thickness is around about 8.6 mm and its weight is around about 200 gram, and due to slim and lightweight your hand grip is going to be very good. In addition there is IP68 dust and water resistance as well. So overall design is totally value for money. Now move to the next step, that is display. Here you will find 6.6 inches full HD resolution OLED panel, and for your clear visual experience you will find HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision support as well. There is 165 Hz refresh rate as well, that will smooth your user experience. And talking about bezels, it is very less. You will find 90% screen to body ratio, that is very good. So overall display is value for money, but I think resolution is little bit down. There should be some 1.5K or 2K resolution. Now we are going to discuss Motorola Edge 40 Pro performance. Here you will find Android 13 out of the box, that is powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset that is based on 4nm technology. With that 3.2 GHz clock speed, and for gaming you will find Adreno 740 graphics as well. About RAM, here is only one option, that is 12 GB, and about storage you will find latest memory type UFS 4.0 as well. So overall performance is totally value for money, everything is up to mark. Now we are moving toward Moto Edge 40 Pro camera. At the rear you will find triple camera system, 50 megapixel main camera with OIS, then 50 megapixel ultra wide and 12 megapixel telephoto lens as well. About image quality, it is very good. You will find vibrant colors and precise contrast. With this camera you can record 8K video on 30 fps and it is 10-bit video, that is very good. At the front you will find 60 megapixel selfie camera, and with this camera you can record 4K on 30 fps, and in this price range it is very difficult to find 4K video recording from the front camera. Guys, now took a look at connectivity as well. Here you will find Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC as well, but there is no infrared port, radio and 3.5mm jack. Now we are going to discuss last part of Motorola Edge 40 Pro, that is battery. Here you will find 4600 mAh battery. With that 125 watt fast charging spot that will fill your smartphone just in 23 minutes. With that 15 watt wireless and 5 watt reverse charging as well. If we conclude our complete review, smartphone design, performance, camera, everything is best, but resolution is little bit downgrade. In this price range you can check out OnePlus 11 that is giving you 2K resolution, and Moto X40 as well that is giving you same specification in very less price. And at the last, if you like this video, press the like button, otherwise press the dislike button, and don't forget to press the subscribe button.